I'm going to show you exactly how to scribble on a Google Doc. We're inside a Google Doc right now, and any file works. Click the spot on the page where the drawing should sit. I'm putting my cursor under my heading. Now move up to the Insert menu in the top left, next to File. Click it. A drop-down opens. There's no keyboard shortcut for this, so the menu is the fastest route. Hover over Drawing, and a side menu appears. Click New. A drawing canvas opens right on top of the document. That checkerboard background means the canvas is transparent, so your scribble will sit on the page instead of turning into a white box. Inside that drawing window, look at the toolbar across the top. Find the Line tool. It's a small diagonal line, not the Shape tool with the circle and square. Click the Line tool icon. A drop-down opens. You'll see options like Line, Arrow, and Curve, but keep going to the bottom. Scribble is the last option. Choose Scribble. Your cursor changes to a crosshair inside the canvas. Don't pick Curve or Polyline by mistake. Those make you click control points, and they won't draw continuously like Scribble does. Now press and drag with your mouse, trackpad, or stylus. I'm going to draw the word Approved as a quick test. Keep the button held down the whole time. You'll see the line follow your cursor live. Let go when the mark is finished. If it looks shaky, that's fine. The tool records your exact path, so a slower drag gives you smoother curves. I always draw a little slower than normal here. Fast flicks come out jagged. The scribble stays selected after you release it. You'll see a blue selection box around it. Now go back up to the toolbar, click Line Color. It's the pencil icon with a color strip underneath. The palette opens. I'm going to pick red because I want this to read as markup instead of pencil. If you're drawing a signature, stick with blue or black and match the document. The default black is fine, but you're about to change the thickness anyway. Next to Line Color is Line Weight. Click it. A drop-down lists widths from 1 pixel up to 24. I'm going to choose 4 pixels. I don't go below 3 for freehand work because the 1 pixel default looks faint and hard to see on a page. If you're drawing a big signature, 8 is a safer choice. The line gets thicker as soon as you click the value. Still in that toolbar, click Line Dash. That controls whether the line is solid, dotted, or dashed. The default is solid, and I'm keeping it solid. I'd skip dotted for a freehand scribble. It just looks like a broken signature. Now click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. The window closes and the scribble appears in the document exactly where your cursor was. It's selected with blue handles around the edge. Click anywhere outside it to deselect it and see the final page. I'd leave freehand marks at the size you drew them because dragging the corner handles will stretch the stroke. If you need to move the scribble, click the middle of it and drag. I'm going to nudge it up under the heading. If you want it perfectly centered, drag slowly and watch for a red vertical line. That's Google Docs snapping the drawing to the center. If you want it beside text instead of sitting on its own line, click the drawing and choose Wrap Text from the little toolbar that appears below it. Then drag it into the margin. I usually leave a signature inline because it moves with the text when you edit above it. If you need to fix the line, double-click the drawing. The same drawing canvas opens again. Hit Ctrl-Z or Command-Z on a Mac to undo the last stroke. You can also click the Select tool and press Delete to remove the whole thing and start over. Save and close again, and the version in the document updates in place. Well, this saved you a minute. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want more Google Docs walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this video out to other people searching for the same thing.